Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid 2024, full review and test drive. Welcome to our comprehensive review of the all-new 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. Today, we're exploring this spacious three-row crossover SUV in its natural habitat. Welcome to AutoVFix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. Let's dive into what makes this vehicle stand out in the competitive family SUV market. The Grand Highlander is Toyota's latest addition to their SUV lineup, positioned slightly above the standard Highlander. It's designed to offer more space and comfort without stepping into the full-size SUV territory. Our test model is the limited hybrid all-wheel drive, priced at around $53,000. Exterior design. The Grand Highlander embraces Toyota's contemporary design language with its angular and modern styling. LED headlights for improved visibility, 20-inch wheels with an attractive satin finish. Black plastic cladding over the wheel arches and rockers for a rugged look. Rear styling reminiscent of a scaled-up RAV4. The vehicle is 6 inches longer than the standard Highlander, with a 4-inch longer wheelbase translating to more interior space. Interior comfort and design. Step inside, and the Grand Highlander truly shines. Appealing and thoughtful design. Leather-trimmed seats, limited trim. Heated and ventilated front seats, comfortable and supportive seats, with power adjustments and memory settings for the driver. 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, customizable. 12.3-inch center stack screen for infotainment. Ample storage in the center console and throughout the cabin, second and third row. The extra length of the Grand Highlander pays off in passenger comfort. Second row, an additional inch of legroom compared to the standard Highlander. Comfortable captain's chairs with controls for rear air and heat. Third row, suitable for adults or larger kids. Cargo space. The Grand Highlander excels in storage capacity. 4 extra cubic feet behind the third row, 10 extra cubic feet behind the second row. Note, folding the seats requires some effort, which could be improved in future models. Performance and fuel economy. Our test model features the 2.5L hybrid system, 245 horsepower, continuously variable transmission, CVT for smooth power delivery, fuel economy ratings, 36 mpg city, 32 mpg highway, 34 mpg combined. Real-world testing, approximately 28 mpg. While not the most powerful option, it offers a good balance of performance and efficiency. For those needing more power, Toyota offers 2.4L Turbo and 2.4L Turbo Hybrid Max versions. Grand Highlander comes well equipped with modern tech features. 12.3-inch infotainment screen, JBL 11-speaker sound system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with wireless connectivity. Cloud-based navigation. Voice-activated services. One notable omission is the lack of a 360-degree monitor, which is surprising at this price point. Driving experience. During our test drive, we found the Grand Highlander to be a capable and comfortable cruiser. Smooth power delivery from the hybrid system, adequate acceleration for most driving situations, well-proven powertrain with seamless stop-start transitions, some engine noise under acceleration, but not overly intrusive. Pros and cons. Pros. Spacious interior, especially in the second and third rows. Good fuel economy for its size. Modern design inside and out. Ample cargo space. Comfortable ride. Cons. Engine can be noisy under heavy acceleration. Folding seats requires more effort than some competitors. Lacks 360-degree camera at this price point. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid proves to be a well-rounded family SUV, offering a spacious interior, good fuel economy, and modern technology. While there's room for improvement in areas like seat adjustment ease and the addition of a 360-degree camera, it remains a strong contender in the three-row SUV market. Its balance of space, comfort, and efficiency makes it an excellent choice for families who need a reliable and roomy vehicle for daily use and long trips. If you're in the market for a three-row SUV that doesn't skimp on space or fuel economy, the Grand Highlander Hybrid should definitely be on your test drive list. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.